I'll be showing you how to do your ZenFi registration. So now we head to my Trust Wallet. Yes, this is my Trust Wallet. Look at this place. You see that it's titled ZenFi Test Wallet. So this is a test account. I already registered in my ZenFi. I just want to do this as a video demonstration so that those of you who have not registered will know what to do. So what you need basically here is USDT and USDT Smart Chain. USDT Smart Chain, which is BNB Smart Chain, and also BNB. But if you don't have all the time, you can just buy only BNB as far as is up to the amount you want to use for registration and a small gas fee on top. The essence of this BNB here is for the gas fee. So what do? We click on this area that is labeled Discover. By now, I have copied the referral link, which is also from me. Just paste it here. You see that? Then you click on this search button, search for it. All right, it's loading. Okay, now it is saying that I should connect wallet, which I should click on. In some cases, you just see it say change. It will tell you to change your network from the beginning. If you are lucky, you might see it that way. But in this case now, it's not showing that. It's showing us Ethereum. So because it is showing us Ethereum network, we will click here on the top. Okay. Because it's showing us this, we will have to click on these three dots on the top and click network. When we touch the network, you cannot see, you see BNB as an option here. You click that BNB and then you click connect. Now it has moved away from, now you can see BNB now highlighted, has moved away from Ethereum network. You cannot click connect. Okay, click accept and sign in. Okay, you now click sign and then you permit the transaction. Okay, so it says I should fund wallet with BNB. So I have funds, send, disconnect. Okay, so here it says continue. So click on continue. Look at my inviter, which is Efogo Joseph. So I click on the continue. Okay, now the money I have in my account is only sufficient to pay for level 1. Imagine here we have 70, but in my account I have like 10 USDT. So I will click on level 1 here. That changes the money to 10 USDT. And then it says buy level 1, 10 USDT. So I will click on that. Meanwhile, pay with USDT is already highlighted in green. If it's not the one I have, it is only BNB that I have. Like I said in the beginning, you could buy with BNB. I will now click BNB, pay with BNB, and then you now see it is 0.0176 BNB, which is equivalent to 10. But in this case, I have USDT in my account, so I will click on pay with USDT, and then click buy level 1. And then click on approve. Then I put my password or the fingerprint, whichever one that is applicable. It's meeting the NFT key now. Okay, I click on approve again and still permit the transaction. Meeting your NFT key. You can see now it has bought it now. It's not saying upgrade to level 2. It's saying that I should upgrade to level 2, meaning that it's already in level 1. You can see it's 0.01. So what do I do next? I come to this area, this circle that has the ZenFi logo in white. So I will click it. I'll click it and I'll click my profile. It takes me down here. So I will click inside this board that says display name. I'll simply put Josie. Josie is my display name. And then I will save it. Saved. Then I can also change my image. So I click on this area that says upload image, then click on via media library, or if I want to use my phone, I can click on camera and then I snap new image. But in this case, I click these images and scroll through my available images. Make sure that the image is not more than 5 megabytes. If it's more than 5 megabytes, will not accept it. This one is more than 5. So I'll look for any of the images that I have that is less than 5 megabytes and then input that one there. So let me keep scrolling and see if I can get any image that is equivalent to what is needed. Okay, so this image is 579 KB. So that is sufficient, more than sufficient for what is needed. So I put it there. So you can see my image has been changed. I'll click on save again to save it. So you can see my profile now has my image and everything. So if I just scroll a little bit up, you can see my referral link here. So if I click it, I copy it without button by the side. If I don't want to use this place for my referral link, I can also come to my profile here. With that profile picture on the top, click it. You see referral link here. You click copy. Or you can also come here and click on the hub. Okay, you click on the hub. You see the referral link here also. And it's saying end on 5 lines. So invariably at the end of the day, you can copy your referral link from all these other areas. So basically what you need for this is USDT equivalent to the amount you want to buy for level 1, $10, level 2, 10 plus 20, $30, level 3, 10 plus 20 plus 30, which is plus 40, which is $70, level 1 to 4, $150. So you add BNB of at least $2 inside your account so that they can use that as gas fee. So that is basically all that you need for this particular transaction. Thank you and see you again in my next video.